Okay guys, here's a little preview of the TC Turbo Descendant kit on their base map tune. I'm not really gonna get on it too much because I'm on a regular street and I'm not trying to get pulled over and get my shit revved. So I'll probably do like a, you know, like a 40 to 80 or something. Just give me a second, let me get a little further down the street here. Yeah, it's your boy Slick, you know. Got the boost gauge in the glove box. Check it out. My AM computer. Just want to make sure there's no cops before I like kind of smash on. Just so you guys know, I have no traction in first through third gear, pretty much. And I'm gonna do a little granny shifting. I'm still learning how to drive this car. Here we go. That was to about 90. Pretty quick ass car. I definitely think so. Let me hurry up and get off this damn street before I get pulled over. Alright. Got this other car that thinks it's the fucking racing. Whoa boy. Whoa boy. Whoa boy. Oh shit. Smashed him. Smashed him. Look, he's still behind me and shit. Look. Oh boy, he don't even want to fuck with me no more.